Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will activate our new SSD or the hard drive. If you have inserted the hard drive and not showing on here, the file explorer, and you are not able to see your hard drive here, it's not showing. So how to troubleshoot this issue? Okay, so close this, and by default Windows hides the hard drive since it is the raw. Okay, so we need to configure the hard drive or the SSD. Okay, so since we are on this page, so we can right click on this PC. Okay, and then go to manage. Once you go to manage, click on disk management. Okay, and then you should be getting option like this. You can see here unallocated and the unallocated. Okay, for example, the disk one is unallocated in your case. It means that the hard drive is attached, but we need to configure this. So right click on, in order to configure this, click on new simple volume option. Okay, click on next option after that. Now here is the size in MB, so leave it as default. Click on next, and you need to assign the letter to it. It will automatically pick the free drive letter, so click on next. And the file system, you need to choose NTFS. Okay, new technology file system. Make sure you are choosing this, and you can name the volume here. Okay, so I'm leaving it as default, new volume, or I can press this test like this and click on perform a quick format. Next, finish. Okay, now test drive is now written here, and you should get the test E. So let me go to here and let me refresh this option. Now you can see the drive has been allocated here, and you are able to see it. Okay, so this is how you can activate the new SSD or the hard drive on your Windows. And if it is not showing, so this is the method. Okay, so hope this small tutorial is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.